Hey guys, in this video I want to show you some super cool math tricks on how to do math really fast in your head. I have a friend named Scott Flansburgh and he really introduced me to this kind of stuff. You can tell him like 782 times 465 and he can tell you the answer before you can type it into a calculator. There are some tricks, math tricks, that will help you do speed math in your head really quick. Let me give you the first tip. Here's the first tip. Let's say you have a number that is between 10 and 19, and you have two of them, two-digit numbers between 10 and 19. If you are multiplying those digits together, let's say the number is 15 times 17. There's a real easy trick that you can do to get the answer really quick. And here is the trick. Take 15 and take 17. Take the last digit of that last number, 7, and add it to the 15. So now you have 22. So write down the number 22. Take the two last digits of those two numbers, the 7 and the 5, and multiply those together. Now you have 35. So when you have the 22 written down, add a 0 to that, and then just add 35. So now you have 255. Let's take another one. 12 times 15. On this one, I want you to add the 5 to the 12, so now you have 17. Add a 0, it's 170. Now take the 5 and the 2, multiply them together, you got 10. Add 10 to 170, your answer is 180. So let's say it's a number in the 20s, like 24 times 27. It's the exact same thing. Take the 7 out of the 27, add it to 24, and you have 31. Here's the only difference. Since it's a number in the 20s, you multiply that by 2. So now instead of 31, you have 62. Add a 0 to the end, you got 620. Now just take the 4 and the 7, multiply them together, 28, and add it to that 620, and you've got 648. You do this with all the numbers. If it's two numbers in the 30s, you will multiply the addition by 3. If it's in the 40s, you'll multiply it by 4. If it's in the 50s, you'll multiply it by 5. It's a really cool trick to multiply numbers that are close to each other together that are 2 digits. Okay, so here's another cool one. How to multiply numbers by 11. This is super easy. Let's take the number 43. All you gotta do is split the numbers 43, and you'll know, so you know your answer is gonna start with a 4 and it's gonna end with a 3. Now just add 4 and 3 together. 4 plus 3 is 7. Your answer is 473. That's it. Let's do another one. 52. You know it's gonna start with 5, you know it's gonna end with 2. Add 5 and a 2 together, you get 7. Your answer is 572. It's a really, really cool trick there to multiply any number by 11. Here's another math trick for you. If you are adding up numbers, round up to 10. So let's say you have 644 plus 238. It's real simple. Just round up each number to the nearest 10. So it would be 650 plus 240. That would give you 890. Well, you rounded up 6 points with the 644, and you rounded up 2 with the 238. So you got 8 digits that you have to account for. Just subtract those from your number. So 890 minus 8, your answer is 882. Bottom line, if you're trying to add up numbers, round them up to the nearest 10, add them together, and then subtract the numbers that you added up. Just take them out on the back end. And that's a real cool trick. Okay, here's one. How to square numbers, like 65 squared. So it's 65 times itself, right? Well, you know, anytime you're squaring a number that ends in 5, the number is going to end in 25. So if you have 65 squared, go ahead and write down 25. You know it's gonna end in 5. And then take that 6 and go to the next digit, which would be 7, and multiply it. So 6 times 7 is 42, and that's the beginning of your answer. So your answer is 4225. Let's do another one. 75 squared. Well, you know it's gonna end in 25, so those are the last 2 digits. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. 5625 is your answer. Let's do one more. 85. 25 is going to be your answer at the end, so write down those 2 digits. And then 8. 8 plus 1 more is 9, so 8 times 9 is 72. 2. Your answer is 7225. Real cool trick on squaring digits that end in 5. Last trick, multiplying by 9s. Let's say you have the number 52 times 9. It's real easy. Add a 0 to the 52, so you have 520. And then subtract 52 from that, and you would get 468. Let's do another. 46 times 9. Just add a 0 to the end, so you got 460. Now subtract 46, and you have 414. So guys, these are some tricks on doing math speed fast in your head. It's kind of cool. I mean, number one, you can impress people with it, but also it might help you. Maybe you're in line at the grocery store and you're trying to figure out how much money you have left to pay and if you have enough money. So there are a lot of practical applications to being able to do math fast in your head. Or you know you get a certain gas mileage and you're driving down the road and you want to be able to figure out how much gas do you need to get to go somewhere. There's a lot of practical applications to doing math in your head. It's fun, but there's also reasons for it. If you would like to learn more cool tricks, I have some memory training tricks. Click the link down below. I got a free gift for you. There's some really cool tricks that you can do to improve your memory and kind of open up the possibilities of what your brain is capable of. If you like this video, please give me a like and a thumbs up. Comment down below and tell me what you liked most about this video or what you want me to do on a future video. But don't forget to get that free memory gift. You're really gonna like it.